Hi, welcome to PPS3. I just wanted to take a minute to introduce the course to you and give you a few highlights of what we're going to do. So, as you know, PPS3 is a fully online course. It's made up of 7 modules that focus on the art and the business of medicine. In this course, which is almost completely based on group work, we will be exploring ethics and diversity in medicine in the first 6 modules. And those modules will consist of a fair number of readings and videos which are assigned, and followed by group discussions about those things. And then those will be culminated with a final video integration project. Throughout all the semester, you're going to keep a personal reflection journal, which will inform your final project. So not just busy work, because I hate that, and I'm sure you do too. And then the final module will be a business of medicine module, which will focus on sort of details of things that you need to know to be a PA when you first graduate. Things like, how do I get my license, and what about my DEA certificate, and what can get me in trouble, and how do I avoid that? Those kinds of things. All of that will come together in the end to complete the module. The course does have a fair number of due dates, so make sure that you're paying attention to that. But everything will open at the very beginning of the course so that you can self-pace based on your rotations and your travel and all of your other commitments. So it's always fine for you to complete work early. Just be watching the dates so that you don't miss deadlines, because your classmates' work will depend on your work. So just be aware of that. There will be a discussion forum for questions if you have any questions for Professor Pesca and I as you go along, and we would request that you put your questions there, because everybody learns from all the questions that get asked, including us. So please post your questions there unless it's of a personal nature, and then of course contact us. If you're having trouble meeting a deadline, please contact us individually. And other than that, we're really looking forward to learning with you. These conversations and the context around them can be challenging to each of us individually, but these are also the topics around which we grow so much. And so we are looking forward to experiencing this course with you and hearing how your thoughts go and the experiences that you have in clinic that inform them. So I'm looking forward to learning with you.